AUD USD. So let me just explain the reason why I took this trade, which is today. Like today is Monday. What's today's date? Let me check today's date. Today is the 3rd of November. Yes, 3rd of November. So the main reason why I took this trade is because look at this level. This level here, this line here is the previous day high, and also the previous day Asia liquidity high, and also today's Asia liquidity high, which is above here. So you can see the box, the Asia liquidity. So, and we also have a point of interest from on Thursday, Thursday we have a point of interest over here above the Asia session and the previous Friday high. So immediately we took that liquidity on the previous Friday high and Asia liquidity on the high of Friday and the high of Monday. So I knew that immediately price came into our point of interest on Thursday. I knew that price was going to react from that level, but I was waiting for a confirmation. As you can see that here, that you can see IB and IC, which is internal break of structure and internal change of character. So immediately I saw those two change of character, I waited for my 5-minute confirmation, which is the order block on 5 minutes, and I took the trade just like that. And this is what we are seeing now. So although this trade does not move very well, but we are hoping, no, it's not even hoping, probability that this trade is going to play out, because we're targeting the Asia liquidity low, which is today's Asia liquidity low, which we know that price may go there, and it's just the probability game. So we're in this position right there. You can see it, one position, and we're in a little profit by now, a little profit. And in case you're not in my Telegram channel, I drop a signal on my Telegram channel. Immediately I wanted to do this trade, that we're expecting something like this to happen. So in case you're not on my Telegram channel, make sure you join, and if you want to join, you can ask me for the link. I'll just send you the link. So one thing I learned from patience is that a patient trader will always make money in this industry. Like if you are patient enough to wait, like trading is just automatically waiting. If you can't wait, then you will waste. I'm sorry to say, but that's the how can I call it? I don't know what the kind of English I want to use. That is the logic. That is the reality of trading. Yeah, you have to wait. Look at this trade. I've seen this thing like several times, and it doesn't shake me anymore. It doesn't even move me anymore. So when I'm seeing like trade moving like this, at this scenario, there is a lot of rejection. Like the first time, second time, third time, rejecting this order block here. I may close this trade at this level, or moving my stop loss to break even at this level, but that doesn't make me a bad trader. Well, according to my analysis, we're supposed to take that Asia low liquidity, but looking at this level, you guys will see that price action is rejecting that particular level, and if you look it far away, you will see that it's a little bit aligning with the psychology level of resistance. So if I close this trade here, nothing bad, but I just want you guys to know that make sure you're not closing trades just because of emotional decision, or maybe because of you're afraid of losing this trade or something like that. No, make sure whenever you're closing your trade, you're closing for a reason, like a genuine reason, not because of fear or anything. Make sure that when you are closing your trade, you are closing because of genuine reason, not because of fear or because of you're afraid of the market may go back to your entry point. Who cares if the markets go back to our entry point? Who cares? But I want you guys to make sure you learn something from this. Look at the rejection, the first time, second time, third time, rejecting this particular point with a long wick. That is possible on this other block here. This other block here, it's possible we get a reversal to our entry point. But I don't care. So it's either I move my stop loss to break even now, or I close the trade. One of the two. So I just want you guys to patience. That's it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.